Hi, this is Editor Troxel. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at an error that had been popping up on the forums recently, and this has to deal with some events that actually don't have media. So let's take a look, like, subscribe, and we'll see what is causing this and how to get around it. First of all, let's take a quick look at our timeline here. You can see I have an event on the timeline. Basically, all we're going to do is show what event I have selected. So let's look at our code here. First of all, we're going to go through each track, and then we're going to go through each event in that track. Then if the event is selected, I'm going to show the path to that event. So if we run it on this project, you will see it gives me the path to where that file is located. Now let's add another video track, and up above it, let's add an adjustment event. So here we have an adjustment event. The adjustment event is now selected. We run the script, and this time we get an error message that says the object reference is not set to an instance of an object. So how can we get around that? Well, it just so happens that adjustment events and empty events don't have takes. So the simplest way to get around it is to look to see how many takes we have. So let's come in here and modify this. If event.takes.count is greater than 0, then we're going to go ahead and display the information. If it is 0, then we are going to ignore it. So now let's try this script again. So now it simply just did not display anything. Let me add an empty event on here. So now we have an empty event, we have an adjustment event, and then let's go ahead and select this event as well. Run the script again. And this time you see it skipped the adjustment event, it skipped the empty event, and it gave me the information for the file that actually had information. So if you're trying to look at events and adjust events and the media of those events, and you're getting an error message, is it possible that you have an adjustment event or an empty event that doesn't have any takes on the timeline, and so therefore that's causing the crash? It's certainly something to check out and see if that might be a possibility. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Please sign up at www.jettv.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.